Hey everyone, how's everybody doing? So in this video, I'm going to show you how I found this winning product that I scaled from zero to $330,000 in sale in about 30 days. So as you can see over here in my screen, from April 14 to May 15, so about 31 days, you can see I did zero to $332,000 in sales. And I was able to quickly take this product from zero to 10K days, 15K, and even like 22K days. As you can see over here, 22K days pretty quickly. So let me just do a quick refresh check to keep everything transparent and legit. As you can see over here, in this video, I'm going to show you how I found this product and what strategies and method that I use to find these type of product that can be quickly scaled from 0 to 10K days. So how I do my product research to find these product that do 0 to 10K days pretty quickly. Grab your pen and paper because the methods that I'm about to share with you guys are: number one, never been discussed or shared on YouTube before. Number two, give you clear indications of profitability and scalability of product. And number three, they're absolutely free. I'll be discussing the paid method or paid tool method in my future videos. But to be very honest, this free method or this free product research process is as good as paid method, or I think it's even better than any paid tool research method or paid tools out there. So let's see how to do this product research. So first of all, we'll use Facebook ad library. So those of you who don't know what Facebook ad library is, it's a free platform by Facebook where you can see all the active ads on Facebook platform. So just by this, you can understand that this is the biggest library of ads out there. Any tool, any paid tool out there, they are just a subset of it. So what we will do is we'll just search for Facebook ad library on Google, and the first link you see, you can click on this. So once you are on Facebook ad library page, what you have to do is in the search ad section, click on this. You want to make sure that United States is selected because that's where I find most of my winning products. And then I'll select all ads. And then in this search filter, what I'll do is I will use keywords that are used by dropshippers. The keywords you have to use are free shipping, 50% off, limited time only, get yours today, and flash sale, right? So we'll start off with, let's say, free shipping. You're basically seeing a lot of ads, but the next part is very important. You have to use these filters appropriately, right? So first thing first, in the media type, we'll select videos only. So why videos? Because video tend to do much better than image ads, especially for problem solving products. And if you are in niches like jewelry, fashion, and some of the home decor niche and some other niches as well, you can go with image ad, but from my personal experience, I think videos tend to do better. So you can select videos, and then you have to select active ads. Once you select active ad, this is the next most important filter. Okay, what you have to do is select a window of last 1 month. So from, let's say, 5th of May. And the second thing is it should not be today. Okay, it should be at least 4 days before. So I would probably go with like 1st or 2nd of June. So probably like 1st of June. So why I have selected this window? First thing is we have selected last 1 month because we want ads that are recently launched so that there is not very high competition. And why we have selected this window instead of like today or yesterday? Because we want ads that are running for at least 3 to 4 days, because that will give us an idea that the product is working well. If we select the date here as of today or yesterday, it's possible that the competitor is still just testing the product, right? But if it is running for like 3, 4 days, 5 days, or even before, there are very high chances that the product is doing well for them. So with these filters, I'll click on apply, and now you will see a lot of dropshipping products over here. So let's just scroll them one by one. And by the way, what you have to do is you should create one Google Sheet over here like this. I've created this product research sheet. And why we are creating this Google Sheet, we want to add all the good data that we are basically getting from Facebook ad library. We'll add product name, and the second thing we have to add is add library link. Yeah, I'll show you why we need this information. But first, let's see some of the products. Just by scrolling down, you will find a lot of dropshipping product. But the thing is, because this method is free, you'll definitely need to invest some more time compared to any paid tool. But still, within like, I would say 30 to 50 minutes, you should be able to get like 10 to 15 good products from this. So for example, let me see this one. Yeah, this looks a good product. I'll click on shop now just to grab the product name. So this is travel neck pillow, right? So I'll just copy this part and I'll add this in my sheet. So this is one thing. But the second thing that we need here is this link. So I'll open this. This will open the Facebook page of this store. So what you have to do is go to About section and then go to Page Transparency, right? What you have to do is click on See All. This is where you will see this option. Go to Add Library. What you have to do is just copy this link and paste it in your sheet. So yeah, this is one product. Let me just quickly do some more research over here. So this looks like another good branded dropshipping product, and similarly like this one as well. And another thing, like with these filters, you will see more dropshipping ads. I see a lot of people have concern that when they do research on Facebook ad library, they see a lot of branded ads and not dropshipping ad. But with these filters, you'll probably see more dropshipping ads. So you can see over here, this is dropshipping product. This is a branded dropshipping product. This looks like a dropshipping product. So what I would do is I would just again do the same thing. I would just copy this and then I would copy the ad library link. Again, the process is very same. Like you have to open this in tab and then you have to go to the About section and then go to Page Transparency, right? Click on See All and then go to Add Library. Right, and just copy this and we will paste it over here. And just follow this method and you should add like at least 5 to 6 good products that you see, okay, they are running ads. As you can see, I'm seeing a lot of dropshipping products over here. In fact, these products probably you won't even find on different paid tools out there. This is again a good product, as you can see over here. This is again a good dropshipping product. I would probably note it down. Okay, this one looks good. This is a known one. So I'll copy this one as well. We'll just note it down over here. And then it's Facebook page link. Once you have added like 5 to 6 good products from your research, the more you can add, the better. The next part, which is the most important part, which will give you signs of scalability and profitability. This is the next method that I was talking about that has never been discussed on YouTube. The method is, what you have to do is you go to Facebook ad library and you see this factor, which is ads count factor. If you are able to see good amount of active ads for a single product, means that the competitor or this store is scaling it. So let's say if you're seeing 10 plus active ad, it means that they are above their testing phase, because normally in testing phase we see like 6 to 8 ad sets, but if they are 10 plus active ads, means that they are above their testing phase. But if you see like 20 plus active ads for any product, they are definitely above their testing phase and probably they are scaling. The more active ads you see, the better. Okay, so for example, in here you can see this product, neck pillow one, it has 2 results showing, and we can see there are 2 active ads, right? Only 2, which is not a great sign, which means that they are not scaling right now. So the scalability factor is not here. So what I would do is I will add a column called ads count factor, and for this it's 2. Let's see for this one. So there are 17 active ads and they are running only single product. Okay, so this is a good sign. Okay, so 17 is a good sign. I would probably say this product is doing good. The next one, Garden Kneeler Pro. Okay, you can see, let's see how many active ads. So 24, right? So this is what we should look for. They are clearly running this product and they have 24 active ads, which means they are above their testing phase and they are scaling this product. More importantly, if I just add this information, you'll also notice something, that they are running this ad from 30th of May and today is 6th June, right? It means that they are running it for almost 6-7 days, which means that this product is definitely profitable for them. That's why they are running it for so long. No one run product for so long if they're not profitable, right? Because you have to spend money, especially in United States. That is the next thing. From these 3 products, I would surely say this, that this is probably the one that is highly profitable, and also they are scaling it, which is a great sign. Coming to the next important method, or the point which I actually created by myself, it's called recency factor. So I will add this line. So what recency factor is? In this recency factor, we check when the Facebook page was created. Why we check this? If you see a product someone is scaling, let's say there are 100 plus active ads for this product, but let's say the page is 3-year-old or let's say 2-year-old, which means that they are running it for so long that their pixel, their ad account, everything is optimized for it, and probably they are bigger brand, or maybe they have good amount of data about their purchases. So it may be a little difficult to compete directly with them. Probably need to come up with more marketing angles and ideas, which will require you to spend more money into testing phase. So to avoid that part, I've come up with this method called recency factor. In this, what you can do is you can check when the page was created, and if the page is created recently, and by recent I mean in the last 3-4 months, if you see that, that is a very good sign that the competitor recently jumped in the market, they recently created their page, and within a short span of time they are able to scale the product, which means that you can also jump into the same product because the competitor was able to do it. They are recent, they are able to scale it, which means that the market demand is really good. Maybe the trend is recently started. The market share, the competitor has not acquired that much, still they are able to scale it. So that's a great thing to notice, and that is what a recency factor is. So how to check that? It's very simple. So again, you have to go to the Facebook page. That's why you see the importance of just noting this ad library link over here. So you go again to the page, right? So the next below you see, okay, over here they launched it on 20th Feb 2024, which is kind of recent, I would say. Not that much, but still recent. See, this page is created recently, but they have 2 active ads, which means the market demand was not that great, or maybe their creatives were not that great. That's a clear sign that I would probably not go with this product because the ad count is less and they are created recently. Next, check this earbud thing. They created this page on 23rd of March. So I'll just note it down over here, which is again a great sign because it's June and they created it on March. So almost 3 months before or even less, which means that within 3 months, they were able to push this product easily, and they are kind of in a stage where they're probably scaling. So that is a great sign that you can also jump into the same product because they are new, you are new in the market. The market size for any product is huge, especially with these type of products like earbud. You can easily jump into the same product and acquire a good share of the market. And in fact, if your creatives, if your offer are great, you can even wipe out the competition. So let's check for this one. They have created it in 18th May, right? So less than, I think, 20 days. Perfect sign. So this product is direct winner. Okay, no questions about it, because recency factor, it's recent, less than 20 days, 24 active ads, definitely check mark, right? That is what we are looking for. If you follow this process, the filters that we have added inside our Facebook ad library page, and then noting down this information, and if you have, let's say, 10 products, you'll find even better products. For example, let's say another product with 30 plus active ads. The recency factor is like, again, 18th of May, or let's say 1st May 2024. That's a perfect example. Within short span of time, they were able to get the momentum, which means the market demand is good. So that is what we are looking for. If there is a market demand, they are able to scale it. You can also jump into it because the timing is good, the market demand is there, and definitely the market size is huge for any product. So you can also get a share. So it's not like, okay, the competitor is there, you cannot jump on it. Especially, you should pick products that are already selling. You should not reinvent the wheel. You should not pick products that no one else is selling, because you will be the first one who is going to take the risk. So at the beginner stage, you should avoid that thing, and you should always rely on data. This is the free method that I was talking about, and with this method I have found products that are really good, in fact new in the market. With my offer and creatives, I was able to scale products from 0 to 10k days pretty quickly. So in this, we have understood about how to do product research. There are a few other important areas, like while picking up products, you need to keep sure that, okay, there are good margins. For the margins, I would recommend at least 3x margins or at least $25 margins, whichever is higher. The second thing is the product should not be very heavy, because then shipping fees will be very high. So there are multiple product criteria factors that you have to look before you jump into product research process. So I have created this sheet with every possible factor or criteria that I look, and it has some of the best criteria. And after going through this sheet, you will have a very clear idea, okay, what type of product to pick. So for example, after going through this sheet, if you have 50 products in front of you, you can easily pick the top 5 just by looking into the products. Okay, so if you want to get this sheet, DM me on my Instagram ID, the word sheet, and I'll send you the sheet with everything absolutely for free. So that is one thing. And second special thing that I have for you guys at the end of this video is for those of you guys who find it difficult or who don't want to invest into paid tools, I have some alternative for you through which you can easily save like $1,000 to $2,000 pretty easily. So DM me the word tools on my IG account and I'll send you the details. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are interested in similar sort of content, I'll be sharing my Facebook testing strategy, scaling dropshipping strategy. And in fact, I'll be sharing my ad account and showing you exact step I do for testing my products and scaling them to 10k days and even further. So please subscribe to this channel and please do like this video just to help the algorithm, and would really appreciate it. And for now, thank you so much and see you later.